Stop right now. So you're telling me I paid a Dyson $600 and you can do these curls with your finger? No, you're done. I want to see if this really works. I'm actually hoping for no because I spent a lot of money to get these curls. Okay, so first I sectioned my hair. You're apparently supposed to use just water. Spray your hair a little bit. Okay, she says this whole process is super short. It doesn't take long and it can be done in 15 minutes. You take the piece of hair, you take 2 fingers, put them underneath and go over. And then you keep wrapping the hair around like this. When you have like an inch left, you put it between your 2 fingers, you pull it through like this and pull this down like this. Okay, I think for the first one, this was super successful. This is how you leave it. Okay, second little poof. Let's see if I can do it. Ooh, I am done with one side. They look so sad. I can't wait to pull them out. I am done with this part. I just had a random thought. What if I can't get these out of my head? Well, it's too late now. I am in too deep. Okay, so I'm finally done. Why do I look cute? I have a feeling it's gonna look horrible. But I only spent 15 minutes on it. So if it looks horrible, it looks horrible. I'm gonna go to sleep now and I'm gonna get back to you when I wake up with the result of this. Jesus Christ. Keep your fingers crossed for my hair.